Non-conventional machining operations for composite materials. Non-conventional means unconventional machining process. Okay, an unconventional machining process is defined as a group of process that removes excess material from the workpiece by various techniques involving mechanical, thermal, electrical, and chemical energy, or combination of these energies, but don't use sharp cutting tools as it needs to be used for traditional machining operations. In this machining operations, we can get good finishing after completion of the machining operation. In conventional machining operations, we are using the various energy. We have four types of energies, right? First one is mechanical energy based process, and next one is electrical energy based process, and then chemical and electrochemical energy based process, and final one is thermal energy based process. Okay, these are the various types of energy based process we are using in unconventional machining process. In non-traditional machining process, we'll use mechanical, thermal, and chemical and electrochemical. In mechanical energy-based process, we will use ultrasonic machining and water jet machining and abrasive water jet machining and eye jet machining. These are the various types of machining in mechanical operations. Okay. In thermal energy based process, we will use electrical discharge machining and electron beam machining and laser beam machining, then ion beam machining and plasma beam machining. Okay, these are the thermal energy based machining process. And the final one, chemical and electrochemical machining. Chemical machining, photochemical machining, and electrochemical machining. These are the non-traditional machining process. In first figure, we can see the ultrasonic machining, right? And the second one is laser beam machining. By using the laser, we can cut or we can do the machining operation in that material. And next one is water jet machining. In this process, we will use the water in high pressure through, we will pass through the nozzle. Okay, the water is impacts and the workpiece and this high pressure. And the next one is electron beam machining. In this machining operations, we can cut the material or we can remove the material by using the electron beam. Okay, and then electrical discharge machining by using this electric power, we can remove the material to get their shape. And electrochemical machining. Okay, in this machining process, we will use chemical by some the etching process. We will remove the material step by step. And next one is mechanical energy based process, abrasive jet machining. Okay, in this machining process, we will use the abrasive particles to remove the material. Advantages of non-conventional machining: it has high degree of accuracy and provide great surface finish, and the complex shapes can be easily machined, and higher tool life, and metal removal rate is high. Disadvantages: cost of this process is high, and skill labor operator, and the setup is difficult. Okay.